Flood Emergency. Any Disaster Solutions delivers rapid water damage repair after torrential storms. Following a week of severe flooding across New Hampshire, Any Disaster Solutions has mobilized emergency crews to help residents and businesses recover from widespread water damage. With towns like Nashua, Manchester, and Portsmouth hit hardest, the Nashua-based restoration company is operating 24/7 to provide critical water extraction, drying, and mold prevention services. Their goal: prevent long-term damage like structural decay and health hazards from mold exposure. Using industrial-grade equipment and rapid response teams, Any Disaster Solutions has already assisted dozens of flood-affected homes, with more calls expected as water levels recede. The company urges homeowners to act quickly. Untreated water damage can become dangerous within 48 hours. For immediate help, residents can reach out at 603-814-0288 or visit anydisastersolutions.com.